Realme is at it again. Just when we thought the Realme 15 and 15 Pro were enough, the brand has announced a third member of the series, the Realme 15T. And trust me, this one's going to grab attention not just for its features, but also because of how much it looks like Apple's brand new iPhone 16 Pro. Yep, Realme has gone bold with this one. Now, let's talk design, because this is where the Realme 15T is making headlines. At first glance, you'd think this was an iPhone 16 Pro. The slim boxy design, the flat sides, even the promotional teaser using Apple's legendary phrase, "one more thing," it's almost a straight-up copy. The phone is 7.79mm thin and weighs just 181 grams, making it slimmer and lighter than Apple's flagship. For context, the iPhone 16 Pro is 8.3mm thick and weighs 199 grams, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the same thickness but tips the scales at a heavy 227 grams. On the front, you get a 6.57-inch AMOLED display with 10-bit color depth and a staggering 4000 nits of peak brightness. To put that into perspective, that's even brighter than most flagship smartphones today. The Realme 15T is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 chipset, which should deliver solid mid-range performance. But the real showstopper here is the massive 7000 mAh Titan battery. That's one of the biggest batteries we've seen in a slim device like this. And not only does it support long hours of use, but it also comes with 10-watt reverse charging, meaning you can use it as a power bank to charge other devices. Now let's talk cameras. The Realme 15T comes with two 50-megapixel cameras, one on the front and one on the back. That's right, both sides get equal megapixel power. And because this is 2025, of course AI has to be part of the story. The 15T packs in AI Edit Genie, AI Snap Mode, and AI Landscape for enhanced photography. And despite being slim and lightweight, Realme has gone heavy on durability. The 15T is IP66, IP68, and IP69 rated, making it dustproof, waterproof, and resistant to high-pressure water jets. That's rare at this price point. The Realme 15T will be available in 3 color options: silk blue, soot titanium, and flowing silver. Each has a glossy, premium look that again screams iPhone. On the software side, here's a small disappointment: the Realme 15T launches with Android 15, even though Android 16 is already publicly available. However, Realme has promised 3 years of major OS updates and 4 years of security patches. So you're still covered for long-term usage. The Realme 15T will officially launch in India on September 2nd at noon local time, joining its siblings, the Realme 15 and 15 Pro. It will be available through Realme's official website, Flipkart, and offline retail stores across the country. The brand hasn't confirmed the sale date yet, but the pricing is already confirmed to be under 20,000 rupees, or around $225 globally. What do you think about Realme's decision to copy Apple's design? Is it a smart move to attract buyers, or is it just lazy design work? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech.